Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to set the path environment variable for PIP and for Python in Windows 10. Why do we need to do this? Because if we try to run some Python commands or to check the version for PIP or Python, or to install some Python libraries using PIP or easy install from our Windows uh, command prompts directly from uh, my working directory, we will not be able to run the commands and we will get some errors. And I will show you why just now. We'll run the Windows command prompt. This is my working directory. This is my name, Hazian. I have Windows installed in French language due to some reasons related to my job, but it is not an issue. I'll translate, some lines if needed. So here I am in my working directory. Let's try to check if Python is installed. Check the version of Python, and here I have an error saying that Python, the command which I typed, is not recognized as an internal or external command, not recognized as an executable program or a file of commands. So this is not recognized. Okay, let's try to check the PIP version. It's the same error. PIP version is not recognized. So what to do in this case? Here we have two solutions. The first one is to go to check the folder in your computer in which Python is installed. Here you see the example of my computer. I have Python installed in this directory, Python 37, and this is the full path location for Python. If I copy this and I go to Windows command prompt and I change the directory, go to the directory in which Python is installed, press enter, I try to Python, and here it works. I have Python installed, the version 3.7.2. PIP, I have to do it inside Python. Import it first. Okay, it doesn't work. Sorry. Here I will show you an important thing. Okay, it worked for Python. Why? Because we change the directory to the directory in which Python is installed. But for PIP, it's different. For PIP, we need to go to another subdirectory. It is named scripts. It's this one. See it here. I click on it, and you see that inside there is executable files for PIP. So if I need to check the PIP, and again you see how this way is not really practical. I need to go to again to change the directory and to go to script. Here it should work. PIP version. Here I got the PIP version 19.2.1. Okay, you'll agree that this is not a very practical way to do things or to work on day-to-day basis, because every time you need to check the full path folder for the Python and for this for PIP, and each time you need to copy it inside in your command prompt, and this is not a good way to do things. So here we can go to our second solution, and which is the subject of our video, and uh, which is setting the path environment variable for Python and for PIP in our Windows settings. So we will do this solution. Go to Advanced Settings of Windows. Go then to Environment Variables. We click on Environment Variables and we check the upper part, which is related to user, and here we see that there's no path related to Python or to PIP. There's no setting and we need to add it. We click on this button. It's a nouvelle in French, which means new in English. We click on it and we add we need to fill this fields. The first one, we need to type the name of the variable. Here we can type any name. We can type path as an example. It's just a name for our variables. And here we need to input the value of our variable. In our case, we have already prepared two values. The first one is the full path for Python. Copy it, go to our Windows settings, we paste it, we add a semicolon, a space to separate, because we need to add the second variable. As I have told you, the second one, here you see the script directory, and it's for the PIP executable. We paste it, we click OK, OK, and we're done. We have set our path environment variable in Windows. Now we go to check and test our setting. We go again to the command prompt. Here we are in my working directory. So here I will not change the directory. I will just stay here and run my commands. So I start with Python. Great, it's working. Python is installed, the version 3.7.2 and other details related to Python. And now it's working. You can work directly from your working directory. What we can do, we can also exit first to test. Also the PIP version not recognized. Doesn't matter. We check again our setting. Maybe we've forgotten something or some parameter. This is a good opportunity for troubleshooting. Environment, path. Added both of them in Python. Scripts, okay. The settings are correct. launch again the command prompt. And okay, I think it's working now. I think it just needed some few seconds to import. That's all. Python there and pip version. IP 19.2.1, and that's all for this video. I hope it will help you to set your path environment variables correctly to avoid copying every time the complete path to execute the comments. And